Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Tap Get Started. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment method, manage your passes, and add new passes like loyalty, gift card and public transport. If you go to menu, you've got access to your payment methods, full list of participating banks, tutorial about how to pay, and your activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. In contactless setup, you can set up payment method, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then you can go to help and support, send feedback, and in the end, you've got access to your Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.